All right, welcome back to another portfolio update. As of right now, the market is still open. We have about 30 some minutes left. I'm up 956 for the past week, six down 616. 1 month up 1791. 3 months 9453. Year to date 12,359. 1 year mark 15,945, and overall up 68% at 24,774. All right, guys, so this is just a quick update on the dividends that came in and some of my options that I've been dealing with so you guys can see what's going on. Buying power is, I'm using right now margin 39,000. There's an options collateral of 14,000. I'll show you guys the details. Total money available right now is 1,400. So, and that is margin money. All right, presidential election here. I have not bought any of this. I don't want to wait for the payment. I don't know. I didn't want to get into this, so I didn't put any money into it. So if you guys have an option, or if you guys did, let me know. Today is election day, and the payout is January 8th, so you would have to wait until then. So a couple of months. So it pays $1 each one. So if you buy Trump, you spend 59. If he wins, you get $1. If you it's Harris 42 cost, you'll get $1, and you'll get $1 January 8th. Whoever wins. All right. So I have some options going on here. I did do a coin option. This is 14,000 that you saw in there. It made $144. It's going to expire this week or in 3 days. Yeah, about 3 days. Coin is at 195. My put price is 145. So I don't think it's going to drop to 145 by the end of the week. We'll get that money and it'll release the margin 14,000. Tesla, I have Tesla call option because we did the wheel. We ended up with 100 shares of Tesla at a price of, I think, 220. Yeah, 220. I sold a call and then I rolled it to 232.50. Now, Tesla is at 251 right now. If I roll, let's say I would have to roll into December 6th, and I already looked at this earlier, that's why I'm going fast through it. But to break even, I can pick the 240. That's going to cost me $80. So if we push it up to December 13th, 240, I'm going to make some money there, but it's still under the strike price, and I would have to wait until December. Or I can wait until this expires on the 15th and let it sell for 232.50. Take the difference from what I paid of 220, which is $1,200, and do it again later on. So I don't know if I want to keep holding on to this option. I might roll it again. I might just let it expire and sell out. So we'll see how that goes. And then a bunch of smaller ones: Google, AMC, Coin. No, not Coin. I'm sorry. Hood, Robinhood, and GME. So those are my options. Nothing too crazy. I'm just waiting for. I don't know if I should get out of Tesla or not. So um, we'll see how it goes. And then the options menu here looks bad because of the Tesla one going up and down right here, minus 1800. But overall, it's still positive. Once that I get rid of that Tesla one, this should go back up to the 5,000 range. So in the meantime, it stays at that rate. Um, let's get into dividends. So you guys can see what's going on with my dividend payments. Here we are. All right. So, oh yeah, what am I thinking? I'm supposed to do this video for last month where I show you guys the total, and I'll show you guys that on the next video. I'll try to do it Thursday maybe in a couple of days. All right, so we had UGI, JP, and I'm going to get into detail on the next video. I just didn't have time today to do it, but I'll do it. Tesla paid 1,095, but you'll see what they pay this month. Then QDTE, they pay every month, every week. I'm just going to scroll real quick here and show you guys. We had not Altria, Realty Income, QDT again. QDT has been going up and down, 31 cents, and then they paid 20 cents. So easily this month or last month in dividends was of course over 1200, possibly, I think about 1200, 1300. I'll give you guys the total on the next video. QYLD paid. And then in November, I wanted to show you guys this. TSLY only paid 598. It's a big difference, about 400 bucks difference from the last time. So not that great. I don't know if I should get out. I talked about it on the last video. My average is 1451, down 2500, but I think I've been paid about 24, 2500 already in dividends. So I might hold it until one more payment. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't drop to the $10 mark, because then we're just chasing the value that we're losing. So, and then we got JEPQ today, JEPI today. Next week we have some of the other ones. So I'll give you guys the total last month in options and dividends on the next video. So make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll see how it goes. We'll see how the election goes today too. It's looking like Trump's is more expensive. Maybe it's a better rating that he might win versus Harris. I don't know. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, let me know what you think. What are you doing with your portfolio? Are you holding off? Are you going to buy more after the election? Oh, yeah, one more thing. Let's look at DJT, Donald Trump's stock here. Oh, wow, look at that. Past week. Oh, not kind of crazy. It's down 15 bucks. Wow. But the past month it's up 92. I don't know. Look at that dip it took right there today. Man, what about options? What are options worth if we buy a call? Wow, they're expensive. So, you guys buying those? Be careful. All right. Let me know what's going on with your portfolio. How are you doing? How much are you making in dividends? I'm curious. All right. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Thanks.